Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can create Dropbox account. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and make sure that you have installed Dropbox on your mobile phone. Once it's done, go ahead and open up your Dropbox application. Once it's done, you'll be appear with the login or the sign in homepage of Dropbox. You can continue creating your account from your Google or continuing with your Apple ID, or you can use your phone number too. So let's say I'll just use Google. Tap on continue. Let's say I'll choose my account. Now tap on continue. Now agree and sign up if you are agreed to the terms and conditions for Dropbox. Now it will take a while for creating your account on Dropbox. Once it's done, you will be successfully signed in to Dropbox and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.